Learn with me ABC alphabets. All kids loudly speak with me. A for apple. Say A for apple loudly. B for ball. Say B for ball. C for cat. Say C for cat. Meow meow. D for duck. Say D for duck. E for elephant. Say, tell me E for elephant. F for fish. Say F for fish. Z for giraffe. Say Z for giraffe. H for hen. Say H for hen. I for insects. Say I for insect. J for joker. Say J for joker. K for kangaroo. Say K for kangaroo. L for lemon. Say L for lemon. M for mango. Say M for mango. N for nest. Say N for nest. O for orange. Say O for orange. P for pig. Say P for pig. Q for queen. Say Q for queen. R for, say rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. Say, tell me S for sun. T for tiger. Say T for tiger. U for umbrella. Say U for umbrella. V for vegetable. Say V for vegetable. W for watch. Say W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Say X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Say Y for yak. Z for zebra. Say Z for zebra.